Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing text in Canva is a crucial aspect of design that can significantly impact the effectiveness and visual appeal of your projects. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates and choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. But if you have a certain design in your mind, just click on the create and design option in the upper right, left corner. But in my case, I'm gonna choose the social media and I'm gonna choose the YouTube thumbnail template because after creating this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it the thumbnail in our GPLabs YouTube channel. Now, click on the upload. I'm going to work with a specific file here. Now, editing text is really easy. All I'm going to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. You see you have three options. You can click the add a text box, wherein if you type it here, there's going to be a text box and your paragraph text as a default. Now, when you type in your text, there's going to be a multiple options when you click on it. When you hover your mouse, there's going to be like delete option if you think that text is not worthy of editing. There's an option that says duplicate. If you see that, click on it. There's going to be a lock option wherein if, for example, if you're working with multiple freelancers and you don't want them to mess up with their font design, you can do that. And of course, you can add a comment. For example, right here. If you want to unlock it, just click on the unlock. But let's lock the first one. Let's just work on the second text element right here. You see, you can't drag it to anywhere. It's placed right when you click on the lock option. In this case, you have the pencil icon. If you click on that, that's going to be the writing option. You can continue writing. You can shorten, rewrite. If you click on more font, you can have more format, sprinkle faded dust. So let's try that. You see? You can write your first draft first with Magic Write. That means it's an AI powered kind of a thing. If you wanted to put in a certain content without you thinking too much, if you're having writer's block, you might want to use the Magic Write. If you try it out, what will happen is, right? You can use a custom font, all right? But that requires a Canva Pro subscription. Now on top, you have the option to make it bold. Use this, underline, strike through if you wanted. So there's a lot that you can work with when editing a certain text. You have the uppercase, smaller case if you wanted, and you can always revert back by clicking on the same option. You see, you can put in a text color as well. For example, you don't want that. You wanted to choose a color that resembles your brand identity. Now, after that, there's going to be an effects section here wherein you can select a shadow if you wanted. You can increase the direction right here. You can blur if you want. You can also choose the color of the shadow. For example, I'm going to make it black if you wanted. Hover again to the text effects section. There's a splice. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. You can use the echo. You see? You can use splice, outline, glitch, kind of like a glitch effect, neon. You can also curve, all right? In the curve section, you see if you click that, the center is here on the, there's like a circle on the center. That's going to be the grid point, all right? If you don't want that, just click on undo, reverting back to its original form. Now, you have this grid section here. You can drag this text to the proper placement. You have the option to click the rotate to clockwise, counterclockwise, or 180 or full 360. So you have all that option. Now, you can also put in the position wherein you can use the top, left, middle, center, bottom, right. You can add also layers. For example, if you wanted to the text to be at the top right corner right here, you can do that as well. You can also drag this and make it to the front by clicking on layer and click on bring to front. So there's a lot that you can work with, right? Now, after that, you also have the option to animate. If you do that, you have like a rise, pan, fade, blur, wipe, and pop succession. So these are some of your options when editing your text, right? Let me just sort through for you guys. Neon, scrapbook, stomp, and these are some of the suggested type. So let's choose the typewriter kind of effect. You can have the speed if you wanted. Is it going to be animate on both? Enter on exit? You have that option. Now, if you're happy with the design right here, all you're going to do is click the play seconds right here to see if the effect that I wanted applied to the text. Click on close. If you're not happy, I'm going to unlock this one. I'm going to delete because we no longer need it. Now we can put in the background to make your text pop out. Say, for example, this, right? Maybe let's use this one instead, right? Now, once you're happy with this, all you're gonna do is click on the share option at the upper right corner. You can download as MP4, as GIF, PDF for print, standard, PNG, or JPEG. You also have an option to share this design to the multiple freelancers if you're working with them, your team members, your client, or you're within the organization by copying the link. You can also share this design if you wanted to social media such as Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, or TikTok. And of course, you can sort of like attach this file to email, WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger. You also have the option to download it or save it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint, or even on Box, right? Because as you can see, editing text in Canva is essential for ensuring clarity, enhancing aesthetics, aligning with your brand identity, and effectively conveying messages. By making a thoughtful adjustment to your text, you can create compelling, professional, and engaging designs that resonate with your audience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.